My name is Shasita. I am studying 7th class in Sri Sai School. My experiment is salt water and normal water and ink. Ink spread differently the salt water compared to normal water due to the higher density and salinity of the salt water, resulting in a slower and more contained spread than the ink. Salt. Mix it well. Ink. Ink sinking, ink dissolving normal water, ink does not sink in salt water. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you to all.